My name is Anthony Mastoras, and I'm Program Compliance Officer with the Solid Waste Department. So I'm originally from the city of Fresno. I feel blessed to be able to actually have an impact, a direct impact on the place where I grew up, and not too many people can say that. So what a program compliance officer does is it basically, it's like code enforcement, but for solid waste. Being able to work and talk to customers, educate them about the different rules and regulations that we do have as it pertains to trash. And then I'll just come in here and look. And if I see something that catches my eye, I'll come over here, fill this thing out. I'll put an X and circle what was placed in the wrong container, and then I'll write down on the bottom there where it should go. And then I'll just attach it here. When we look into the green, we find contamination such as treated wood, animal waste, and household garbage. When I'm placing the OOPS tags, I'll have customers come out asking if it is a fine, and I let them know this is not a citation, this is not a fine. All this is just a simple advisory, educating them on what they did wrong and how they can correct the issue. To be able to go into a neighborhood that has 70% contamination rate in their containers, and to spend a couple weeks talking with people, sending out those advisories, the OOPS tags, and then going back in a few weeks later and noticing say 40% reduction in contamination, that is a very rewarding thing. That is almost better than the paycheck, because it shows that I'm out here actually making a difference in my community. Together, if we all do our part, then together we can make a better Fresno.